Hey, thanks for joining us again today. Today we're at Autosport in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, and we have a 2007 Ford Mustang GT Premium with 63,000 miles. It's a clean Carfax, and it's finished in one of my favorite, Grabber Orange. I actually personally have almost the identical car, and this is, I believe, the least produced color in '07. If not, it's like the second least produced, but today we're going to do a little walk around. We'll go over the exterior, interior, we'll fire it up, show you the engine bay, show you all the lights. And if there's anything I missed during this, definitely reach out, call me, text me, email me. I'd be glad to get you more photos as well as pictures and even do an individual FaceTime with you. So it's a clean Carfax, and we'll just go around it, and that way you know exactly what you're looking at, whether you're coming in to look at it in person or we're going to ship it right to your door. We offer shipping all over the country. It's an easy process, and be glad to get this guy in your garage. So going across the front here, just a really nice finish on this paint. Everything matches up very nicely. If you've watched my videos before, you know that these cars do have an issue where the hoods start to peel on the undersides. Some of the time it does come to the top. This hood has been repainted, and it looked like they probably blended it into the fenders. That way everything matches up nice. Wasn't any accident or anything like that, but again, a lot of times they can get about a ½ inch or so of corrosion on them. We did decide to have this one refinished on it. So again, everything lines up real nice. The paint finish, they did a nice job. It's presentable, and it's probably something you're not going to notice in the video, but I'd just rather you know about it than be surprised whenever you get it. The front end here, all nice and original. Somebody did put the lower spoiler on the bottom, and then the retro style fog lights in the grille. That's one of my favorite parts. That's why I own almost the identical car here. I love the front end on these cars. And then this is actually almost like a retro style wheel as well that they went with. They're 17-inch. They're like a gunmetal gray on the exterior, polished aluminum lip. Wheels are in really nice condition, and these are brand new Summit tires that we put on. I don't think they're staggered. We'll check in the back. Again, 17s in the rear or in the front, and even the insides of the wheels are real nice. They're not corroded at all. You can tell that somebody really cared about this car. So going into the fender, into the door here again, everything lines up nice. The gaps are clean. The plastics are nice. It has the Mustang GT designation decal on the bottom there. The windshield here, got a couple very little chips in it, no cracks or anything. There's no streaking from the windshield wipers. New PA inspections. Whenever we get these cars in, we do have emissions as well as PA inspections done. I'd have to look and see what all we did. I know we put tires on it and did a few other things, but overall we try to get them gone over as nice as we can. Okay, roof into the quarter panel, into the back end here. Again, just as nice as the front. Rear tires are also 17, so yeah, they're all the same all the way around, all new tires, and just as nice as the front is there. So if you want to come to the back here, we'll do the back of the car. At some point in this car's life, it did have a set of stripes on it. Whenever we got it, they weren't on it. You can very, very faintly see a couple lines from where they would have been from a little bit of sun fade. You can't see the fade at all, but you can see a very faint line there. It could probably be buffed out, but again, you pull it outside, you're not going to see it. I'd rather you know, though, so there's no surprises. Rear bumper, very nice. It was probably repainted as well. We didn't have that done, but it does look like it was probably done at some point. But again, you can tell the paint match is really nice, especially on orange, or it's got some yellow in it, but yellow is always the hardest to match. So did a nice job on that. This is an aftermarket rear spoiler, so obviously it's been painted to match. Looks really nice, gives it an aggressive look. This car has been tastefully modified. It does have an upgraded exhaust system. You can change the tone. There's a button in the center console to make it louder, softer. It's got exhaust. I think it has headers on it. It might have a tune. I honestly don't know, but it runs really well, and we probably put about 70 miles on it whenever we got it in. So again, let's see here. These are called X-Force mufflers, so I'd imagine it goes the whole way up to the front because this car's got a good sound to it. Passenger side here, really nice again. Just overall, the paint match on this car is really nice, and for 63,000 miles, you're going to have some paint work and you're going to have stuff like that. But you can tell that whoever had this car did care for it and kept up on everything. Again, rear wheels just as nice as the other side. No curb rash or anything, and it's got the Mustang designation in there. We'll go through the interior. I'll go around. This car's got a black leather interior, and if you want to go to that side, you can see that somebody did replace these door panels with almost like a paint to match door skin, which is pretty cool because these were leather from the factory in most of them, and somebody changed those out because they're prone to the glue separating and falling off. Throughout the interior, seat bolsters are really nice in this car. They're not blown out or super scuffed or anything like that. It does have an aftermarket Kenwood stereo in it. It's easy to operate. It's not confusing like a lot of them. Floor mats, everything's still there. And it does also have heated seats. I got 2 sets of keys with it. Original manuals are in there. There's the wheel lock. Dash area, everything's just nice on this car. Even the climate controls aren't all chipped up. And okay, so obviously door panels have been replaced and the radio's been replaced. The shaker sound systems are junk from the factory. The CD player starts skipping. They have a lot of issues with them, so it's probably why that was replaced. It's probably why the door panels were replaced, and that's why the hood's been painted. So as far as I know, all the normal Mustang issues have been addressed on this car, whether I did them or they were already done at some point. Okay, go in the engine. Okay, so these are a 4.6 V8 5-speed manual transmission, and just a nicely detailed engine bay here. If you just want to look down in here for a second, you can see it does have headers on it, and everything nice. All the plastic and the bolts and everything's as it should be on this car. Again, this underside has been painted. That's where they normally get some corrosion issues. And aftermarket intake, it looks like a couple other little things. This bar is not factory, but just a nice car for the money, and it's not one that you're going to see every day. Kevin's going to stay in the front. I'm going to fire it up. We'll start in the front, do all the lights. Then we'll go to the back. You'll probably be able to hear it run a little bit, but I got the microphone on, so it's not going to pick it up too great. Okay, there's no kind of dash lights or airbag or check engine lights or anything like that on. Okay, so there's the lights. There's the fog lights. Passenger turn signal. Driver turn signal. Lights off. Go to the back. And all the windows going up and down. And the mirrors also working fine. So, all right, there's the brake lights. Turn signal. Turn signal. Reverse. And yeah, again, it'd be kind of pointless for me to go back there for you to try to hear the exhaust because it never sounds right in the microphone if you don't go up to the front. Yeah, so again, this is down at our Pittsburgh location here, and we're about probably half hour from the airport. It's a 2007 Mustang GT Premium 5-speed grabber orange with about 63,000 miles, and it could be yours. So give us a call, 724-388-4930. Thanks.